Hey, this is Wally at Dean Team Golf Carts, and we're going to go over some tire numbers. Um, First thing, the tire PSI. Everybody, knows that tires have to have air. This one says 36. We never max them out, so I would try to stay around 34, 32 to 34. You don't really want to. That's max at cold, below 32 degrees. So try to stay around the 30 to 34 range, something like that. The more air you have in the tire, the bouncier it's going to ride. Less air, it's going to be a softer ride. So that kind of is the way we look at it. The numbers up here are going to be 215 is the tire all the way around from rim to rim on each side. So it's 215, and then 35 is going to be your tread width. So that's a percentage of that number. So 35, normally you'll see like the fatter tires, there'll be a 50 or a 60 series tire, and then 12 is going to be your rim diameter. So normally on a golf cart they're 8, 12, 8, 10, 12, 14 is going to be your standard sizes. Most of your standard carts are an 8-inch rim. All your upgraded aftermarket rims are going to be in the 10 to 14 range. Is going to be your nicer rims. But that kind of goes over, and normally there would be this one where the square is, normally would have a date code that would tell you, say 12 of 24 would be stamped on there, so it'd be 12 24, but on this one it's not stamped. But look for the square, and usually the square is on the front face of the tire, not the back face of the tire. So wherever you're looking at the rim, look for the square, and 90% of them will have the date code. This particular style or model tire doesn't have it. I always recommend keeping a cap on there in case you keep the dirt and debris out of that valve stem. But that's kind of tire 101 that we look at, and hope that helped a little bit.